Hi everybody, it's time to go have something to eat. I'm going to try this restaurant over here. It's called Little Georgia. It's been here for about 5 years or so at least, and I'm just going to go in and take a look. We're going to have lunch with a couple folks. Hey there, Chuck. What do we got here? Wow, look at this kebabs. This is Georgia here.
Uh-oh. Maybe they serve goulash on a stick.
So I think our friend George would like all this stuff.
Yeah.
And what do we got here? Go, go.
Oh, go.
Get here. Hold it here next to the costumes here. This is what traditional Georgian wear, I guess.
It's either a wedding or a funeral.
And there's a Georgia plaque behind. And we have some more Georgia things here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And wow, it's a pretty cool restaurant here. Gosh, I wish I had a TV that size at home. Hi. So impressed. We have one more coming. No, I'm just walking around. Okay, so just sitting down here, I'm going to look at their menu. So very nice, colorful menu here. Let's take a look here. I've got, you know, page one. This was recommended by a friend of mine, so that might be something we look at. They got main meals over here. Prices seem to be very good. Oh, this mushrooms and cheese looks very good. I think we're going to try that. Okay, next page, beverages and loads of wines, as we saw. And my gosh, cakes too. Okay, all right, so with that, we're going to go ahead and order something, and I'll be back in a bit to show you what we've ordered. Okay, so our first dish came out. It was some kind of mushroom and with cheese. And Deb's first place, they're finishing it. Chuck's still working on it. Terry's going at it, and I'm enjoying it too. It's very nice. Not really spicy, maybe a little bit of extra salt, right, Deb? Okay. All right, and then now this thing here. All right.
It first came out and said, you know what? We're being told what we were supposed to be told, but there's more to the story that I'm not making.
Here we are, Chuck. What are you eating now, Chuck?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Yeah.
You should know what you're eating.
No.
Has anybody tried this dumpling thing?
Yeah, I did. It's done.
It's good?
Yep.
Did you eat it upside down the correct way?
Yeah, to get the broth out.
Oh, okay.
Once I debrothed it.
And Deb's you got the kebab, right? Yeah. How is it?
Good.
But the sauce they gave you was too spicy with it. It's pretty hot, yeah. And Chuck's now into the Lego My Eggo dish.
Yeah.
We want to get a reaction from Chuck on this.
Oh,
It's cheese and bread, huh?
Yep, it's good.
How do you like your cheese and bread there, Terry? Good? Mm-hmm. Okay. Here we go.